This video shows the hidden beauty of Cebu in the Philippines. Cebu is an island province located in the central Visayas region of the Philippines. It is the second largest province, after Palawan, with 3,998.58 square kilometers. There are many beautiful places that you can visit inside Cebu. Hidden in the mountains of Cebu lies a majestic waterfall that has become a must-visit destination for tourists visiting the Philippines. It is known for its lively festivals and rich culture. Many tourists visit Cebu each year to experience its diverse mountainous regions, waterfalls, and sandy beaches. The forest is always there for you. Breathe fresh air. Go camping with your family and friends, and it is an opportunity to create unforgettable memories. Pick up some interesting facts about nature. Discover new species of plants and animals. You cannot afford to miss the beauty of its nature. An attraction for all ages, the best place for diving, perfect for all types of tourists, a good destination with your family, and a great destination to visit. Cebu boasts an impressive range of natural attractions, but it's the hidden spots that are most seductive. If you love adventure, this is your playground. Take a moment and breathe in that fresh mountain air as you prepare to descend through the centuries-old gardens and landscapes. We often forget that we are living in paradise. The views of sloped mountains, the countless shades of blue that characterize the ocean, and the serenity of white sand beaches captivate us. These places have a calming effect on our nerves and could be an ideal getaway from your busy life.